August 4th, 2017, we went to Nurtured by Nature and we swam with the otters. We also had some other amazing animal encounters while we were there. I would encourage each of you to do something like this in your life. It is really a truly wonderful experience. This has fulfilled something on my bucket list, and I am very pleased that I went. I hope you enjoy and have a great day.
It's better to not have water in it so that it makes noise. Yeah.
Hello. And then once the otters are in the pool, we'll try and keep our backs against the back.
Oh yeah, keep floating away.
Just because it's easier for us to make sure we can see them before we see everything. So they have to, like Kevin says, they have to all investigate, make sure.
Exactly. Hank? Here. I think this is Hank.
It's hard to
Who's
tell.
over there? Look how
Oh no, that's Hank. You're right.
I know, but that one
That
looks
must be
big, too.
Emmett. Emmett is the second biggest.
You're right, though.
Yeah. Yes, Hank is now in the bucket. This is Hank. For sure. Hank is big. Hank is big boy, and he has like a teddy bear face. And he also has a lot of lights right here.
So what I want to do is create a platform for them to stand on you.
If you do
So
that,
they'll hang out more time.
I dream of Jeannie style.
And the people with the like t-shirts, or if you want the way to get into it when they settle down, if you put marbles in your t-shirt.
So somebody asked what their names were. Hank, we've already said. It looks like a little tooth is growing in. Then we have second biggest daughter that was confusing us. And then we have Puppy, who is the last boy. Oh my gosh, you're so cute. Who's smaller and doesn't have the little tooth thing. And then there's Lila, who's the smallest and a girl. Right up there. Already. Oh, they're so cute. Look at how Hank.
They're so soft when they're in the water.
Hank is famous for not being shy about going into bathing suits. So just FYI, he doesn't discriminate. He likes boys too. Yeah. Or just place your hand over the important parts.
Hi, babies. Oh, look at what we get my legs.
So many rocks.
Hi. Oh, he's so cute. Oh, hi.
Oh, I got one under my coat.
I knew that wouldn't take him long.
Oh, he did my suit.
You alright? Are you okay with that?
There we go.
Just let me know if you're not okay. It's very normal for them.
I just didn't want him to get trapped.
They will not get trapped. They are very used to being in people's bathing suits. The first few times it happens, we're like, oh no! But then, yeah, they got when they're wrestling like that, you just don't want to stick your hands in the middle of it, just because it's basically like dogs wrestling. They're you know. Yes. You just don't want to put your hand in. And then if they start, and if they start like wrestling on you for a long time, then
Julie. Put your arms out. Here, give me your camera. Give me your camera. Put your arms like.
Turn it like that. So you can
Oh, I don't see the. Oh. Do you have a, there you go. You turned it the wrong way.
all right, don't pet them when they're wrestling like that.
Okay.
Yep.
Just because they might.
Just because they're usually pretty good, but you know, they're excited. So.
Oh my gosh, they're just the cutest things.
Correct.
They're not going to see the difference between human and otter.
You want this over there?
There you go.
Oh my gosh. Oh, it went blank. Okay. I'll just.
It does that. It's still on. People always say there's nothing down there. Are you okay? Are you good? Yeah, no, I'm just good. Okay, that's totally fine. Hi! Hi, Rocket!
Oh, listen.
Hi, baby boy! Yeah! Hello! Oh, bonk! Oh! That sounded painful. They're made of rubber, though, those guys. You think this is
I wonder if I'm afraid because it's underwater, but you said it's waterproof.
Oh yeah, it could be. It's like it looks like a GoPro, but yeah, see, this one doesn't really change. We'll see. Oh, that's nice. Why should the one on these?
They'll do the same thing with what you got on.
Yeah. Okay. Oh yeah, they'll go in there.
They'll do it if they see marbles going. They'll go in.
Oh, they'll just go in. No. No, you can't go in.
There he is.
Oh, hello.
Look at see. There's a rock. There it is.
Easy, baby.
Did you get it?
He's getting it. He's getting it.
Oh.
Put a marble in there. That's
Oh, Rocket. He's a sweet boy, aren't you? You're doing a good job. You're being a good little man. They do really like the t-shirt. They do. Still down. They just like being in fabric.
So where did you do Relay for Life? Here?
No, up in Hesperia.
Oh, okay. All right. All right, so
Nope, that's perfect. If they just breeze by you with the wrestling match, then that's fine. But yeah, if they stay on you for that's the whole cup. Hi, yes, thank you.
Hello, guys.
Love you. I love you, Miss Idiot. Like, I going in. That's it. I told you. He likes boys too. He likes everyone. He's an equal opportunity otter. Cass?
Come here, baby.
Yep.
Got all the toys they haven't seen for a while.
Now they're wrestling.
Is this tilted right so I'm getting him?
Right, yeah.
I want to try to get everybody that doesn't have somebody else here to.
Yeah, that's very sweet of you. And GoPros are the best too, because
We used one of these when I did the zips on a helmet cam, and everything came so cool. That is awesome.
Oh my goodness.
leaves in there too.
Yeah, don't let touch it.
you guys are crazy. On the back of your bathing suit. The back of your bathing suit.
There you go. There you go. Yeah, every once in a while film on the bottom of my feet.
Picking them up.
Yeah, me too.
Oh, here, let me pick up rocks for you.
Pointing it all over. I keep forgetting where it is.
Yeah, mine is going all over the place, but that's okay. And I could always have my son edit.
Yeah, there you go.
5 seconds and just go. Yeah.
Just somebody collecting rocks at your feet too.
I discovered the cup. I think there's 3 in the bucket right now.
Probably has too many toys.
Not as far as
They seem to be very much enjoying it. There's one inside it, and 2 trying to get inside it.
Now, do you ever have the groups mingle, or
No, that would not be a very good thing for anyone. Essentially, they're very much like clans with when they're adults in terms of their groups. So they do not. Oh, baby, swallow the water. So they would be very violent with one another if they are not in their own groups. Okay. Like Kevin was saying earlier, with babies, they're much more accepting. So if like we introduced a baby to them, they would probably be a little bit different. But with adults on adults, it's not a good situation. So if you've ever seen like Meerkat Manor, where the meerkats actually battle one another, very similar with otters.
Oh, wow.
So it's very warlike. They get all like. So the groups we have are the groups. Sometimes some of the otters decide to hang back, but today everybody came out here. So this is the whole group that you got with you. And this is the largest, one of the largest groups that we have. We have a few groups of 5.
Yeah.
Yep, that's Hank. Are you okay? Just let me know if you're not okay. Where you go? He's not shy. But he's a sweet boy, so just, he just... So this otter, Hank came out and he just whacked him on the face with his hand. Two otters.
I should have gotten a bigger t-shirt.
We're gonna need a bigger shirt.
Oh,
is it gonna be 3 otters? I think you might fit 3. I think they're gonna test that.
You're gonna have every single otter in your shirt.
Now we gotta.
yeah, so they know the t-shirt because I thought it would help protect my skin.
Oh, pass it down.
It's funny how they push off on you.
But yes, there are. Hi, do you want to play this game? You want to play the game? Oh goodness, everybody wants to play the game. Okay.
So this is Otter team.
So, if they latch on. Okay. So, if you want to play this, you are going to pull the rope in between these 2 knots here. That's just a good place so that
Sorry about that.
they are far away from your hand when they're trying to attach onto this ball.
Grabbing on. Oh, there you go.
It will rotate people so that the person in the middle doesn't start getting really dizzy, because I'm getting really dizzy. So whoever wants to take over can come on out.
I'd love to.
All right, come on out.
Somebody want a video?
There you go.
All right, and then you're going to hold it between these 2 knots here. And hold it kind of up above the water. Perfect. And the faster the better. Up. I got distracted. Yep. And yeah, there we go. Pull him. There you go. Hold the rope up. Oh, sorry. Yeah, there you go. There you go. All right. So, what you can do is, if you want to just kind of pull it back like that.
Yeah.
There you go. Perfect.
Oh, you got them all now. You got them all now.
And then remember, we want to keep the hand away from the ball.
BBs!
It just turned off, is it?
It's still on.
Okay.
The screen just turned off. All right. Does anybody else want to play?
Why don't you go over there and we'll get some video of you.
In there and then like that.
You can want that in the
Oh, that's cute.
You got longer eyes.
You can start moving out.
There's a marble in the dark cat. There you go. Oh,
Alright. And then you're basically just going to take over for him on the next spin between the two knots. Awesome. Totally fine. They're made of rubber.
Good marbles? There you go.
Otter skiing.
Otter skiing. Really heavy.
That's 40 pounds.
That's 40 pounds of otter. Look at that.
There's one. Oh, you got a friend.
I love this one's still attached. Alright. Somebody want to take over? Okay. Here, I can keep spinning. Oh, you? Yeah. Transition. Sorry. They pushed up on me. Oh.
Hello. Hi.
You ready?
They're fast.
There you go. Totally cheating. Cheaters. Hi, baby. So yeah, she also has 40 pounds of otter. Oh, it's 20. Leave the pool. And yep, still 20.
Are you totally dizzy now? I'm trying to stay on spot.
You are not succeeding.
I know.
All right, does somebody else want to try it?
So cute.
All right, come on in.
Yeah. I think I'm gonna. Should I turn this off?
Can I go the other way?
You can, yeah. And does somebody else want to do it?
No?
I'll go. So whenever you
Okay, I'll get a video.
you can just drop
Maybe
the
they'll come down my top.
So next turn, she's going to take over.
Just want to wear a t-shirt.
Yeah,
See it? That's like, I didn't know that they would do that.
They might be skied out. Might be. Sorry. We'll just give them a chance, see if anybody latches on. If anybody latches on, then you may take them.
Yeah, they're over there. Hey, what's up here?
Oh, not right now. Hi. Oh. Throwing a ball. Oh, I'm guessing it's Basically, like pushing and pulling is kind of a similar thing. So, in the eyes. All right, Kevin, I'm going to hand that to you. Uh-oh, are they fighting?
They're fighting in my shirt.
And then there was this fellow that brought in a few brothers.
All right, out there. There we go. That's good. Whoa. There's a potty in there. Crazy. Can I ask you to put those up by the those just thank you.
We're like, yeah, we can do it.
I know.
So we started raising them. Hi.
Would anyone else like this?
Oh, sure.
Sure, you can build another one. There
Got you again?
Oh, yeah. Here, I have some. Yeah.
Where'd they go? There they are.
Oh, yeah.
More under my toes. Try this. There you go. There's another one too. Which way do I hold it?
You can see where it is.
That's sideways.
In the water, huh? Yeah. Mm-hmm. That's a big otter.
That's Hank.
Yeah, you can. There's a big difference in the Here they come.
That wasn't a person.
Just the bull.
Still in place. Everything's still in place.
Yeah, you're important.
Probably Rocket. Rocket's little and he likes shirts, so. Does he have a little white mark on his lower lip?
Yeah, my husband built him an enclosure out in our yard, but the people who bought him in an apartment.
So, if you want them to go in your shirt, we have them here.
We're down in Baja last week. Last day of it, we were all packing up and doing this and went down to the coast. So we'll final goodbye to the beach.
Hi. Yeah, we didn't see any in the water.
This video's gonna be like crap to keep.
Oh, mine is terrible. Yeah, mine is. As long as you're okay with us. All right. There you go.
Yep, that's mine.
You got out. Never mind. All right. Guys can move it wherever.
What's up?
Oh, there's one.
I'm guessing. I can't do this. Well, you got in. So you should be able to get out.
Hello.
Ready? Hope I didn't show anything on the camera. You might have.
Whatever. It's not
okay,
something
though.
that hasn't been seen before.
It's your own video. You may edit it.
It has like a quilted bra underneath, so they ran into the elastic.
It's like, oh yeah, right here.
Yeah.
I'm providing a shelf. Oh, to sit on.
In my bathing suit. I need something to put in my suit.
I keep feeling in front of my suit, and then all of a sudden there's like.
But wait until they see it. So you got to show it to them, and then put it in. So. Oh goodness. And when they're like this, they don't care. You're like,
Just said,
I got it.
just said
That's probably as long as the beauty.
Hey,
look right here.
I hope so.
He's here?
You should do video when she's got 4 otters in her.
I know.
I want
of
that.
course, as soon as the camera comes, there we are.
I don't see video.
Uh-oh, my glasses, my glasses, my glasses.
I got it. I got it.
My face. I didn't have any hands to grab my glasses. Which is good.
And that was perfect what you said. Just say, oh, we got it.
Anybody? Here.
Oh, what you got there? What do you got there? I don't know.
Probably a marble. Oh no, the shark face.
Oh. Oh my God, you're too cute. I gotta take you
They're
home
very
with me.
interested in you.
Their whiskers tickle your face. Here.
There's a ball for you to play with. Look at their cute faces.
So look up at me for a minute.
There you
Whoa,
go.
I'm going
That's a
backwards.
really
Oh,
good
that's awesome. That's awesome. That's so cute.
They like the shirt.
They do like the shirt. They support Relay for Life.
Yeah, they do.
There goes another one.
You know, stealing glasses off her face.
Yeah.
Okay.
I got it. I'll take it. I got 2 of them in there now.
What you doing? Oh, yes, you got toys. You got toys. Whoa. Oh my gosh.
Oh, that's awesome. Hold that up a little bit.
Okay. What do you think?
Here we are.
They know where to launch off.
Yes, they do. Unfortunately, for the gentleman, it's always pretty much the same spot.
Not nearly as bad as my Ridgeback.
Oh, goodness, yes. Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
She said, still lapdog? That's so funny. I had a friend who had a massive Great Dane mix. Wow. That was hilarious. Because he would basically take up the whole couch and still try and fit on you. Be like, I fit!
Oh, listen to him.
I couldn't have them there long enough. I got lucky.
Probably one of the otters will knock it out of here.
Well, you know what? One water dropper hit right on the lens of the camera.
It's wind.
And he was trying to decide if you were an otter or a person.
Popularity over there.
Except a t-shirt. Maybe a t-shirt, right?
Oh my. Oh my.
They're basically just part of the playground.
Right, right.
Otter playground.
There's something really big under my foot here.
Is
Can you see it?
It's the shark head.
Shark face. It's a wrestling match. They're playing. So the snorting noise that they make is their tough guy noise. And so they're allowed to.
You got it?
What's in there? What's in there? What's in there?
They're all up.
There you go, Julie. There you go.
you go. There you go.
I'm glad I got
It seems like there's more than 5.
Yeah.
Well, people always say, how many are in here? I'm like 25.
Minimal.
Oh, there. That's what I need to do. That's what I was going to do. Put this down my top, see if they'll come.
There he comes, there he comes. Nope, he went back down.
What to do?
So do they typically like no sea otters? They clam.
Hi, Rocket.
He's got a ball, that's what it is.
Is it what that is?
Yeah. She is the chosen one.
Oh, yes, yes. What have I got? What have I got? Oh, it's awesome. Oh, there it goes.
Go back.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, they don't care about that. So you want to put your hands under the bucket,
There you
and
go.
then your arms are the
Perfect.
platform they can stand on.
There you go.
You know, it's like finding the one plan that suits it today. Hi, what you got?
It's got like a little piece of the acorn. It's got a ring around it.
What you got, Hank?
Yeah, he's big.
Yes, he is. Yes, he's handsy. Hanky Panky, we call him.
It's so soft.
No, I didn't.
Because I got my toy. I'm so envious. Thank you. Does everyone pick on Hank, or does Hank?
I think, what was your question?
Does Hank? Because he's.
He does his own thing a lot of the times when they're kind of hanging out. He's just kind of more chill.
They tend not to really pick bad on each other.
No.
These guys are all siblings from the same litter.
Oh, so there's not like one that takes.
Do you want to put those up? So I was thinking you guys going that way. Just in case it's location. You guys. A lot of times it's people.